And now we can have conversation together. Please answer my questions. After each question, tap the space bar and pause the video and give me a long answer. What kind of metal are the spoons made of? Do you worry about exams? Can you carry heavy things on your shoulders? Is your house or an apartment your property? What can trigger an alarm in a car? Do you need anything from the grocery store right now? Have you ever been to a wedding? Have you ever been to a funeral? What animals do you like to see at the zoo? Are you interested in studying biology? And now write down what you hear. He made a claim for the damaged package he received. These flowers are artificial, but they look very real. The storm caused a power outage, and we were without electricity for hours. The restaurant's specialty is homemade pasta. Copper wires are commonly used in homes. And now translate what you hear. She is very good at math. We traveled west for our vacation. Is it necessary to bring the calculator for the math test? He caught the ball easily. Do you carry your books in a backpack? I need a recipe for chocolate cake. The professor gave an interesting lecture today. Did you get an invitation to the party? Don't worry about the small things. Does the noise bother you while you study? And now create 5 sentences. Hide, iron, requirement, shadow, simple. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.